Okay, good afternoon from here and good evening for you. And welcome to Pali class. And thank you very much for joining today. And we start our Pali class by reciting Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato 3 times. So let's recite Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato 3 times in order to start our Pali class. Okay. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Okay. Let's start the Pali class. And thank you again. And do you remember where we start last week? Yeah, we are still on our first lesson. And I remember that Samneri Sirinanda wanted to know how to decline feminine nouns, right? Declension of feminine nouns, right? And yeah, I have PDF new Pali class and I can share the screen. So thank you very much for sharing that PDF with me. And who I don't know who found it. Okay. So here, can you see the screen? Okay. And you can see the right side of the screen. The right side you can see. Okay. So here, how? You can see declension of feminine nouns. There are no nouns ending in "a" in feminine. You know why? Because normally in Pali and Sanskrit, if you want to make a noun in feminine gender, we add "e" at the end of the word. Like Kumara is boy and Kumari is girl, like that, you know. Okay, let me write Kumar. Sorry. I can see Kumara like this. Can you see? Kumara. And this is masculine gender. Kumara is boy. Okay. And Kumari is girl. So like that, you cannot find a ending Pali nouns in feminine nouns in Pali language. That's like that, Kumara, like that, Raja, Rajini, like that. Okay, so here this noun called Vanita. Vanita means woman. And you can see here how that noun decline in Pali language. Nominative case is Patama in Pali. Patama, Vanita, Vanita, Vanitayo. An accusative means in Pali Dutiya, Vanitang, Vanita, Vanitayo. An ablative case is Tutiya or Karana. Vanitaya, Vanitabi, Vanitahi. And dative or genitive case, like dative and genitive, Vanitaya, Vanitana. Dative is Chatuthi and genitive is Chatti. And locative case is Sattami, Vanitayang, Vanitaya, Vanitasu. And vocative Alapana case and Vanite, Vanita, Vanitayo. Like that, here you can, the following are declined similarly. Kanya, girl, Ganga, river, Nava, ship, Amma, mother, Disa, direction, Sena, army, multitude, Sala, hall, Bariya, wife, Vasuda, earth, Vacha, word, Sabba, society, Dharika, girl, Lata, creeper, Katha, speech, Panya, wisdom, Valava, mare, Lanka, Ceylon, Pipasa, thirst, Kuda, hunger, Nidda, sleep, Parisa, following, retinue, and Giva, neck, Juha, tongue, Nasa, nose, Janga, calf of the leg, and shank, and Guha, cave, Chaya, shadow, shade, Tula, scale, balance, Tula, scale, Sila, Sila, stone, Valuka, sand, Manjusa, box, Mala, garland, Sura, liquor, intoxicant, Visika, street, Saka, branch, Sakara, gravel, Devata, deity, and Dola, palanquin, and Godha, iguana. Godha, iguana. Like that, this all noun we can decline how this Vanita noun e ending Vanita sound decline in this case. Okay, so this is how feminine nouns decline in Pali language. So before I show you how masculine nouns, Purisalinga, this called Ittilinga, and Ittilinga means feminine. Okay, this is page number 30 of New Pali course. If you want to read more, you can follow yourself. And also now we can see our Pali primer, page number 2nd. Page number 2. This is where we start. Lesson 1. And okay, so singular and plural. Declension of masculine noun ending in "a" nominative case. The case ending "o" is added to the nominal base to form the nominative case singular number. The case ending "a" is added to the nominal base to form the nominative case plural number. A noun thus inflected is used as the subject of a sentence. Okay. So we just covered these things last week, and the singular, you can see how it performs. Nara plus O, narrow in the singular, and Nara plus A equal Nara, so plural case. And Matula plus O, Matulo, Matula plus A, Matula, uncles. And Kasaka plus Kasako, Kasako, Kasaka plus A, Kasaka, a lot of farmers. So here in the verb listed above, basa, pacha, kasa, etc. are verbal base, and T is the present tense, third person singular termination. The present tense third person plural is formed by adding the terminal nt to the base. Okay. Okay, so here we can see some these three verb how it's performed. Basa, you can see basa is the root, and like basa, and then we, as I mentioned, the T, basa, basa plus T, basati, like that. So bas, need to put like this, basati, sorry, basati, and like that. So pachati also same, and kasati also same, and this is basati, basanti plural, they speak, and pachanti plural, and kasanti also plural, and ba, and basanti, basa plus anti, basanti, like that. Like that, you know. The plural one is performed like this, basa plus anti, basanti, like that. Okay, and then here you can see how is this example in sentence formation. Naro basanti basati. Naro basati. The man speaks, the singular. And matulo pachati. The uncle cooks. Kasako kasanti. The farmer plow. You can see here the subject, kasako. Subject always come with nominative case, subject, patama, and basati, this first person, singular, naro basanti, like that. And but here there is no object. Object comes with dutiya. Later, next lesson, you can learn how to object added to this sentence. And plural, nara basanti, men speak. You can see these both are plural. Nara, here is the naro is the singular, and nara is the plural, and basanti, the ending is come with anti, basanti, men speak. Matula pachanti, uncles cook. And kasaka kasanti, farmers plow. Like that. These are the sentence, like in sentence formation. These are the 3 examples for that. And before we go to the exercise 1, you can ask if you have any question with this lesson. Do you have any question? Yeah, if you have any question, I would like to take time to clarify. Okay, go ahead, Saskia.
For the declination, we sometimes have several forms. And are they exchangeable, or do they only exist in several contexts or with several forms?
You mean, let's see.
For example, for the dative forms, you have for nara, you have naraya and narasa.
Yes, we can like if we have like few words like that, so we can use either one. It doesn't matter, you know. So like some cases we can see some 3 words like plural, right? As we saw before. So some cases has only one word, some has 2 or 3 or 4, but it doesn't matter. We can use either one is correct. So there is no any changing, but meaning doesn't never change. But we use any case. We can see those all cases too in the Pali text. Yeah. Okay. Is there anything? Okay, so we can go to the Pali and that exercise 1. Right? Okay. Anyone like to read this? I will read. Okay, you can follow me. Okay, so translate into English. Bhupalo bunjanti. What is the meaning of Bhupala?
King.
Bhupala means
King.
the king. Bunjati. Bunjati means eat.
Eats.
Eat. Bhupalo bunjati. The king eats. Okay. The second one. Kutta sayanti. Kutta sayanti. If anyone like to try this, I would like to hear your voice.
Sons sleep.
Yes, sons sleep. This putta is plural and sayanti also plural. Putta means sons, sayanti means sleep. And the third one is vanija sayanti.
Merchants sleep.
Very good. Merchants sleep. Vanija is meaning merchants, and sayanti means sleeps. Vanija sayanti means merchants sleep. Okay. Fourth one is Bhupalo passati. When you like say English one, I recommend you to read the Pali one first and then tell the meaning, translate it into English. So then that way you can learn the pronunciation as well. Bhupalo passati. Bhupalo passati, right? Anyone?
Buddho passati, the Buddha sees.
Very good. Yes. Buddha passati. Very good. The Buddha sees. And the fifth one, Kumaro davati.
Kumaro davati. The boy runs. I think.
Very good. The boy runs. The Kumaro is nominative, singular, and davati, the first person, singular. Kumaro davati. Okay, the boy runs. Number 6. Matulo kasati.
Matulo kasati. The
Yes.
uncle plucks plows.
Yes, the uncle plows. Matulo is vocative, nominative, singular, and kasati is singular, third person singular. This person, that means Matulo. Kasati means the uncle plows. And the number 8, Mitta gachanti.
Mitta gachanti. The friends go.
Yes, friends goes. Right. And the number 9, Kasaka pachanti.
Kasaka pachanti. The farmers cook.
Very good. Farmers cook. And number 10. Manusso chindati.
Manusso chindati. The man cuts.
Yes. Manusso singular, nominative singular, and chindati third person singular. So this mean man cuts. Number 11. Purisa davanti.
Purisa davanti. Men run.
Very good. And number 12. Sahayako punjati.
Sahayako Punjati. Friend eats.
Very good. Friend eats. And the number 14. Naro pachati. Anyone?
Naro pachati. The man cooks.
Yes. Very good. And number 16. Number 16. Saha 15. Sahaya kasanti. Sahaya kasanti.
Sahaya kasanti. The friends
Yes.
plow.
Yes, very good. Then flow. And the number 16, Sugato agachati. Sugato agachati.
Sugato agachati. The Buddha comes.
Yes, very good. Good job. You have done wonderful job. And if you are not tired, we can move other one. Translate into Pali. Right? Translate into Pali. The first one. Sons run.
Putta davanti.
Very good. Yes. And the number second, the uncle sees.
Matulo Pasati. Sorry.
Yes, Matulo Passati. Number third, the Buddha comes. The Buddha comes.
Putto agachati.
Very good. Number 4, boys eat.
Kumara.
Go ahead.
Kumara. Punjanti.
Very good. Number 5, merchants go.
Vanija gachanti.
Very good. Number 6, the man sleeps.
Naro Sayati.
Yes. Very good. Number 7, kings go.
Bhupala gachanti.
Very good. Number 8, the Brahmin cuts.
Brahmano chindati.
Very good. Thank you. And number 9, friends speak.
Mita basanti.
Very good. Number 10, the farmer plows.
Grasako grasati.
Very good. Number 11, the merchant comes.
Vanija agachati. Ne,
Very good. Yes, agachati. Vanijo agachati. Number 12, sons cut.
Buddha Chindanti.
Very good. Number 13, uncles speak.
Matulo pasanti. Pasati. Matulo pasati.
Yes, matula
Pat-
basanti. And number 14, the boy runs.
Kumaro Vasati. Davati. Kumaro Davati.
Yes, the boy runs. Kumaro Davati. And number 15, the friend speaks.
Sahayo basati.
Yes, Sahayo Basati. And Sahayo Mito, like that, yeah. And the last one, the 16, the Buddha sees.
Buddho pasati.
Yes, Buddho Passati. Very good. Everyone has done the good job, and thank you very much. And we can move for lesson 2. Before that, I want to teach you another thing. Let me go to new Pali course again. Page number 8. Okay, here you go. In here, you can see conjugation of verb. There are 3 tenses, 2 voices, 2 numbers, and 3 persons in the conjugation of Pali verbs. And 3 tenses are 3 tenses: Vartamana Kala, present tense; Atita Kala, past tense; Anagata Kala, future tense. Okay, there are 3 tenses in Pali language, so they are Vartamana Kala, Atita Kala, Anagata Kala. Vartamana Kala means present tense. Atita Kala means past tense. Anagata Kala means future tense. Okay. There are 2 voices in Pali language. Kattu karaka. Kattu karaka means active voice. Kattu karaka, active voice. Kamma karaka means passive voice. Like in English also same. Active voice and passive voice. Okay. And 3 persons. First one is Patama Purisa. Third person. Patama Purisa means third person. Majjima Purisa. Second person. Majjima Purisa. Second person. Uttama Purisa. Third one is Uttama Purisa. That means first person. There is something special, like something we should learn, because the first person in English is third in Pali. Okay, you can see here, right? This third Uttama Purisa, we use number 3 here, you can see. And you can see here, this 3, we use here first, third person, right? In English, we use third one as like this. You can see in up and down, like upside, downside. The first person in English is third in Pali. Numbers are similar to those of nouns. Okay, numbers are similar, but when we conjugate in English, we use third person first. In Pali, we use first in Patama Purisa. Okay, there is no attempt to conjugate the continuous, perfect and perfect continuous tense in Pali. Therefore, only the indefinite forms are given here. Okay. So in Pali, we cannot see conjugation continuous perfect. The continuous perfect and this one, and the perfect continuous tense in Pali. Therefore, only the indefinite form are given here. Okay. And next you can see conjugation of the root pacha, to cook. Indicative person, active voice. Okay. Okay. Here you can see the base vowel to be here we have more, and the conjugation of the root pacha, to cook, indicative person, active voice. You can see third person and Patama Purisa. So means here he, so and te. So and te and twang and tumhe, nahang, maya. So you can see so means he, Patama Purisa. That means he. And te means they, plural. Okay. And here, second person, Majjima Purisa, we always address someone. And Twang, T-V-A-N, Twang. That means you. In all English, we say thou, but now we don't use this part anymore. So we use you. Okay. And tumhe is plural. Tumhe. Tumhe means you in the plural. And here the first person, that's mean Uttama Purisa in Pali, is say ahang. Ahang means I. Ahang, I. And mayang means we. We. Okay, then that also important to know. Okay, then we can see pacha. Pacha, root pacha, conjugation of the root pacha. Pachati, singular, and pachanti, plural, pachanti. Pachasi, second person, or Majjhima Purusha. Pachasi, and plural, pachatha. First person, or Uttama Purusha, pachami, plural, pachama. Can you repeat after me? Patama Purisa, Pachati, Pachanti. Majjhima Purisa, Pachasi, Pachata. Uttama Purisa, Pachami, Pachama. Okay. We can read with this word so with in the bracket. So pachati, te pachanti. Twang pachasi, tumhe pachata. Ahang pachami, mayang pachama. Again, Patama Purisa, so pachati, te pachanti. Majjhima Purisa, twang pachasi, tumhe pachata. Uttama Purisa, ahang pachami, mayang pachama. Okay. Is there any question, any difficulty to understand? Please take a moment and ask any question. If you have, feel free to ask question.
Yes.
Bhante, can I ask?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
So is it kind of free or voluntary if you say the, oh, can you go back?
Yes.
If you say the so or ahang or mayang, if you add it or not?
Normally this, that we said kuma like matulo pachati, right? This so means Uttama Purusha, Patama Purusha, and also the third person. So we always use that Kumara, Kumari, Matula, those all words, like we take this third person, Patama Purusha, right? So we use this word for that. Right. And plural also, that there is, if there is many uncles, matula, pachanti, like that. They, right?
And
Like Sravako. And then twang, we always use person who in front of us, right? You, like singular. If there is one person, we say yeah, you. And if there are many, even we say, at that time also we say you, right? So we say, but in Pali there are two words, twang and tumme. Twang means you singular. Tumme means you many. That we say tumme, right? And Uttama Purusha, first person, we say aham, aham. Who aham? I. So if you all use aham, that means you have to ended up the verb with this ending, pachami. Aham gacchami, aham basami, aham pachami, like that, you know. If we have we, like many, like mayang, that we use mayang. If you use this word mayang, you should use pachama, mayang pachama, we cook, right? So this is where we use this like conjugation of the root verb, like verb conjugation, right? Indicative, present, active voice. Is that clear? Or
Yes, yes.
okay.
I think it's clear. Thank you.
Is there anything?
Yes, Bhante, I have a question.
Yes.
I think it may be a follow-up to the last question. Is it, so let's say we use the word pajama, do we have to use the word mayang in front of it, or can it
Yes.
still mean the same thing?
No, if you use pachama, that means you always use mayang. Or
You have to, okay.
basama, that means you have to mayang. If you use this ending, that's you always use to this mayang. If you use this ending, ami, pachami, then it must be aha. If you use it like a bhupalo gachami, that's completely wrong. Like king, not like that. Is aham means like uttama purusha means first person. So first person mean me or we. And we, like there are 12 people in this class, so we.
And in the case of, for example, if we use, let's say, king's cook, it could be buhala pachati.
Bhupala. Yes,
right?
bhupala,
Bhupala.
bhupalo pachati.
Pachati.
Bhupalo pachati.
Thank you.
Yes. You're welcome. And is there anything? And we can say mayang Pali Bhasayang Ugganhama, we learn Pali language. Like that. We, all 12 people here. Mayang Pali Bhasayang Ugganhama. I can say Ahang Pali Bhasayang teaching, like Pali Bhasang, Pali language, Ugganhama, like that, Ugganhami. So, is there anything? So, you want to try this pronunciation one by one? It's also important to memorize. So then when you write any sentence further, so you that word come very quickly. Is it singular? Like you know that pachati is ending T. Is it plural? Then you quickly notice that pachanti is plural. You want to try this? Or? Okay, so one by one you can try. That person, like you can say Patama Purisa, so pachati, te pachanti. and Majjhima Purisa, Twang Pachasi, Tumhe Pachata. Uttama Purisa, Ahang Pachami, Mayang Pachama. Like that, you can read as many times as you can, then it's helpful you to memorize it. Okay, go ahead and try.
Patama Purisa so pachati, te pachanti. Machima Purisa twang pachasi, tumhi pachata. Uttama Purisa ahang pachami, mayang pachama.
Very good. Next one.
Atama Purisa so pachati, te pachanti. Machima Purisa tvang pachasi, tumhe pachata.
Tumhe Pachata.
Tumhe pachata. Uttama Purisa ahang pachami, mayang pachama.
Very good. And the next one.
Atama Purisa so pachati te pachanti. Majjhima Purisa tang pachasi tumhe pachata. Uttama Purisa ahang pachami mayang pachama.
Very good. Next one.
Atama Purisa so pachati, te pachanti.
Te Pachanti. Te.
Te pachanti.
Yes.
Mm. Majjhima Purisa twang pachasi, tumhe pachata. Uttama Purisa ahang pachami, mayang pachama.
Very good. Thank you. And next one.
Patama Purisa so pachati, te pachanti. Machima Purisa twan pachasi, tumhe pachata. Uttama Purisa pacha ahan pachami, mayan pachama.
Very good. Thank you. And next one.
Atama Purisa so pachati, te pachanti. Majjhima Purisa twang pachasi, tumhe pachata. Uttama Purisa ahang pachami, mayang pachama.
Very good. And thank you. And next one.
Atama Purisa so pachati te pachanti. Majjhima Purisa twang pachasi tumhe pachata. Uttama Purisa ahang pachami mayang pachama.
Thank you. And next one. Very good.
Patama Purisa so pachati, te pachanti. Machima Purisa twan pachasi, tumhe pachata. Uttama Purisa ahang pachami, mayang pachama.
Very good. Thank you. And next one.
Patama Purisa so pachati te pachanti. Majjhima Purisa tvang pachasi tumhe pachata. Uttama Purisa ahang pachami mayang pachama.
Very good. Thank you. And all done, or is there anyone else?
Yes.
Oh, good. Go ahead.
Atama Purisa so pachati, te pachanti. Machima Purisa twang pachasi, tumhe pachata. Uttama Purisa Ahang Pachami Mayang Pachama.
Very good. Thank you.
Patame Purisa So Pachati Te Pachanti Machime Purisa Twan Pachasi Tumhi Pachate Uttame Purisa Ahang Pachami Mayang Pachama.
Very good. Thank you. Next one. Hold on.
Purisa, Patama Purisa, So Pachati, Te Pachanti. Machima Purisa, Twang Pachasi, Tumhe Pachata. Uttama Purisa, Ahang Pachami, Mayang Pachama.
Very good. Thank you. Is there anyone else? Okay. Well done. Thank you very much. You have done a good job, and I'm so glad you all know much Pali then now. So I think there's only 2 minutes left. So you can come to next class with by reading the Pali Primer Lesson 2, and if you have time, you can try the exercise. Exercise translate into English. So lesson 2 translate into English, exercise 2. So we can do it in the class. So if you have time, you can try it. So I am going to conclude the class for today because it's only 1 minute left. And thank you very much for joining the class. And I'm so glad that you put a lot of effort to learn Pali. So that's mean a lot. So, and please work on it, and I'm here to help you to learn. So if there are any question, you can ask anytime. So it doesn't matter. So I'm happy to teach you. Okay, so we will share this book later, and I asked Bhikkhuni Tisarani and Samaneri Sirinanda to share this Pali, new Pali course, that PDF, share with the others. And thank you again and again, and I share a blessing with you, and I'm going to chant some holy stanzas, so invoke blessing each and everyone, and please concentrate your mind on this recital. Okay. Sabbitiyo vivajjantu sabbarogo vinassatu mate bhavatantarayo sukhi digayuko bhava bhavatu sabba mangalang rakkantu sabba devata sabba buddhanubhavena sada sotti bhavantu te bhavatu sabba mangalang rakkantu sabba devata sabba dhammanubhavena sada sati bhavantu te bhavatu sabba mangalang rakkantu sabba devata sabba sanghanubhavena sada sati bhavantu te Abhivadana silissa niccang vaddapachayino chattaru dhamma vaddanti ayuvanno sukhang balang bhavatu sabba mangalang rakkantu sabba devata sabba buddhanubhavena sabba dhammanubhavena sabba sanghanubhavena sada sati bhavantu te. May you all be well and happy. May the noble triple gem bless you. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Thank you very much.
Okay. You all are very welcome. Okay. Sukhi. Okay, have a good night. Bye bye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.